car dealer Khalif Kairo has once again found himself at the center of controversy, facing arrest over allegations of defrauding a client. The accusations revolve around Kairo's alleged failure to deliver a car despite the complainant having paid the full purchase price. Currently detained at Capitol Hill Police Station, the businessman was reportedly apprehended after failing to convince the victim that he intended to resolve the issue by traveling to New York to secure funds. This arrest comes on the heels of a similar incident on December 3, 2024, when Kairo was detained and interrogated at Kasarani Police Station over claims that he failed to deliver a high-end vehicle to another client. Amid the mounting allegations, Kairo took to social media to defend himself. Posting on X, he asserted, "I have a track record spanning 10 years in the car industry. Despite whatever has been thrown at me, I have never given up, gone into hiding, or defrauded anyone a single coin. My intent is very pure. There are many people hell-bent on pushing me to give up and exit, but I will not." While Kairo's statement portrays a man determined to defend his reputation and continue in his trade, the repeated allegations raise questions about his business practices and the integrity of his dealings. For a decade-long career in the automotive industry, such claims, if substantiated, could tarnish the trust and reliability that are fundamental in the car dealership business. Kairo's predicament also underscores the challenges faced by consumers in navigating high-value transactions in Kenya. Stories of unfulfilled agreements and disputes highlight a critical need for stronger consumer protection mechanisms. For customers, such cases serve as a cautionary tale to exercise due diligence when making significant purchases. The allegations against Kairo are more than just personal. They reflect systemic gaps in accountability within the marketplace. As he battles to clear his name, his case will be closely watched by industry stakeholders and the general public. The ultimate resolution will not only affect Kairo's reputation, but also send a strong signal about how such disputes are addressed in Kenya's business environment.